It's your girl Lashay Vibes coming into you with another exciting video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, I had Amazon vendor Bileaf reach out to me. Direct links to purchase the hair will be below in the description box. And guess what, guys? They also included a discount code. So be sure that you finish the video to the end to see the discount code if you're interested in making a purchase. But I received for each pack, I received 3 packs. For each order, you receive 3 bundles. For one pack, it includes 30 strands. Now, if you're interested for a fuller head, you may want to do either 3 to 6 packs. If you'll notice the style in this video, I only use 3 packs because I had the front of the hair braided down. This hair can also be used as either you can do crochet or individual braiding. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I would only do crochet styles. The hair actually comes in several different shades. I have a 1B and a 30. You can get it in a 1B and a 27, 1B, or they have some other exotic shades that include either a red, blue, or green. So be sure to check the website. It also came with installation on how you can install the hair, which I thought was really cool for the divas or individuals who prefer to install their own hair. You also receive clips to pull the hair back in your accessory bag, and it also included some little jewels that you can use on your hair as well. As always, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.